Hello everyone, my name is Dave. I'm from Kitiwment Studios. I'm a Photoshop and Premiere Pro user. I'm also a movie director. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's begin. Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll be looking at how to place a text behind a subject in a photo. So let's begin. First of all, pick a type tool or press T to pick the horizontal type tool. Type anything you want. So let's say Kitiwment Studios. Select a font you want. I'll go for the impact. You can also choose a color you want. So I'll go for a yellow color. Yellow is okay. Okay. Now press Ctrl T to transform the text. And place it to where you want it to be. So let's say I want it to be here. Okay. So now click on this icon to disable it. We are going to crop around the subject where I placed it. Make sure you click on the background. So now let's begin to crop. With the help of the pen tool. Okay. Right click, go to make selection. Select a feather radius of 1.5 and duplicate it. Press Ctrl J and move that layer on top of the text. And now enable the eye icon. So this is how you have your text placed behind someone in a photo. If you like this content, please make sure to hit the subscribe button for future posts. Have a nice day. Bye bye.